Yes, things are still happening in the entertainment industry, and Sammy Flex, as much as I am alive, I'll take some time, do commentary on them. I'll take some time and put out my opinion. I'll take some time, put out education as well as information. It is your right to also enjoy same. And I want to say thanks so much for being a part of Sammy Flex TV, especially those who have been enjoying the analysis and the commentary we do here on Sammy Flex TV. I call this special one the quick news because it is always quick. Between 10 and 11 minutes, we are done with the content for other things to happen. Let me say thanks to my team in Ghana, Digital Rasta Currency, Richie Flex, editor, and Afe, Hansan Mahmoud, and Sokaho. They are the guys running all the affairs back home. And I want to say, God bless you so much. Keep working hard. Let's work for the world. Let's work for Ghana. Let's work for ourselves. And overall, let's work for the big man out there. He is the Almighty Allah, aka Almighty God. My name is Sammy Flex. Welcome to the quick news. And young concept is straight. Today's case is a little bit sensitive, but yet I see a and seminar air cost biano or see it to me a try just as we allow anybody at all to also go online to put out any opinion from any conversation. Why not? If we know, if we have information, why are we not in the best of positions to share with the people? And that's what we are going to do today. It's between Sarkodie and Shatta Wale. Yeah, the two giants. One is a dancehall king, one is a rap king. So the two kings are still in their beef business, and it is up to us to also understand what they are doing, and we'll take it from there. Now, come back to issues now, with the fact that Shatta Wale has not been hiding his intentions. He's always straightforward. He doesn't beat around the bush or about the bush on what he is doing. Say opese or boss Sarkodie or too straight, no abonne pine. Then it goes on like that. And again, let's talk about the new attitude Sarkodie so I devise in responding or in replying to King Shatta Wale. Of course, Ebimo Felice Sarkodie has said he is not going to respond to Shatta Wale. But then I still want to tell you that whatever Sarkodie is doing is enough response to Shatta Wale. Yes, that is the fact. It might not be a direct response, but it is an indirect response to Shatta Wale. But then per se, the fans of artists, we take a cue one way or two from the other. Now, if you share how we can also be part of this seemingly beef between Shatta Wale and Sarkodie. And now if you ask me, I can tell you that I'm kind of enjoying what is happening on the facts I'm about to share with you. I'm enjoying what is happening, I must be honest. That is why I am talking about this. Now the first thing I want you to know is this. Between Shatta Wale and Sarkodie, I believe you've realized, say, Adiana Omoyeno, no one has added any emotions to it. Point one. That is the first thing I want you to know. There is no emotional attachment to what they are doing. When Shatta Wale is talking about Sarkodie sitting on someone's pool or sitting beside someone's pool, he always writes and he adds the emoji to it. So that you will know that, yes, Oka, Ede Asre Sarkodie, yes, Oka, Emma Sarkodie Felice ni but Sema Oka no, he is not angry. He is not adding emotions to it. But interestingly, getting emotional out of this whole thing. Now let's look at the seeming responses as you see as Sarkodie so I started a manner or a friend is saying sign language via phone calls no. And you'll be honey sack to or no, style be or style be okay or so on the on can be asim. But then let's talk about captions or they come back and say 2020 he is not going to respond to just anybody, and that if you want him to respond to your beef or whatever, then you must come and pay. Of course, we can't hide this that King Sack is talking about Shatta Wale. And the fact that Shatta Wale might be expecting a response from him out of his recent jabs at him. Obianim say dear Kosono, send and na Shatta boss Sakiem and ne Shatta boss Sakiem no. People are expecting say Sarkodie will give adequate response. And I say no, he's not going to do that. That is why he was on the phone doing that thing, and he wrote that caption, said he's not going to respond to anybody. But then if you want him to respond to you, you might have to pay. That is an equal response to Shatta Wale's rant, or better still, Shatta Wale's thesis, and our trolling, Kinsak. A response, pepe. Once again, like I said, we a very sensitive issue. Based on where you stand, that is how you understand it. But then, with my understanding as a journalist and again as an entertainment person over the years, this is how I also interpret it. Yes, you might agree with me, you might disagree with me, and that is the beauty of life. But then I can tell you that there is one thing. They are both exchanging these things, but then it is without emotions. It's me person fun. In fact, let me move on to the next point. Now that I've told you there are no emotions attached to what they are doing, let me move on to the next point that talks about you, the fans, we, the followers. Yes, I'm also a follower because I'm watching what both of them are doing. So I'm also following. Now, what I can also tell you is that you see both guys, Sarkodie and Shatta Wale, none of them is insulting each other out of their commentaries. No. I want to believe, despite what is happening, they still have equal respect for each other. Enti omo posting na omo on social media no one is insulting anybody. They all do it and they add an emoji to it. But you, the fan, I sometimes read some of the comments under both artists' posts, and I see the kind of insult, the kind of anger, the kind of emotion some people have attached to this. Bro, ubenya BP. No, this is serious. Obeya ubenya BP no mo discussion bobusianfo. Omo discussion mo yire ni omo ma. Then what about you? Ebi crown share ne da ne nsem mpo ma ne handshake poda. But also the what funny World Cup na una obetro insult e owiase ha nyina. It is just simple. Just as they are doing it softly, same way you can also do yours softly. So as I saw Australia, Obasia no ababes ni watchom. So can say, hey king, keep on. No abeka king, keep on then watchom. And ya fin ababeka o chiro bi say no yes, 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 say. No, you don't need it. And here I'm speaking to both camps of artists. It is time mu besua afri eye mu leaders ni ho. Se omu won tokwa bi ko a anka bi anka wo hu so omu ko tokwa. But because omu ni tokwa bi akon na omu at a point ebia, you see what they are doing. I can tell you that when they meet themselves, that nyame be atom mienu be hia no, they will smile, they will hug each other, they will laugh. I want to be hu say oh yeah ejimi for excuse my words. So say ya pono ni Shatta Wale kunye kri on the Koshia nightclub and on more balling on more yes on the day on be smoky boom on ben no boom on munya macron be boom. And what happened to you? So could dear chino be the people with trimmer and kawopra. You have to learn from that. So learn from them. Learn from the fact that though both of them, they are in the same soup, doing the same thing, no one is getting emotional out of this. It is not like that. But you need to take a cue from it. And again, let me big up Sarkodie for something. Sarkodie has a way of making stars. The first video about Bonting, yes, I think I got this information online, but if it is not like that, someone can also feel free to share with me. And I'm adding that Sarkodie has a way of making people stars. And I think the first video out there to Bonting, one side no so now say, oh yeah, phone calls, oh yeah, I think there was a guy called Skinny Man also, who did a voiceover under Sarkodie's phone antics. Now, when the voiceover came out, I think Sarkodie, anytime he does his post, he finds a way to bring the guy in. That, yes, Skinny Man, I have done it again. I did not mention anything. But if you think you have a meaning to it, go ahead and do it. And I can say that the guy is having increasing numbers on social media. I can say that the guy is gaining some attention. Now, when someone does something like that, people would expect him to come and put words in the mouth of that person. And that is the beauty of some of these things. So now, you and I, out of the beef, a star has been made. Out of the beef, someone has been created. Now, what about you? What did you get out of the beef? If you are getting something positive out of the beef, that is fine. That is positive. I wish you well. Because these days, if you have numbers on social media and you are smart, you can translate that into business. In fact, into serious economics. But if you don't have, and onya kakra two cities data kakra no following kakra wanya no na fe no so adapa and now they try left and right sir, because someone is beefing another artist where you are not even involved. Yeah, so these are the points I want you to know. That one, there are no emotional attachments to what they are doing. And again, all of them, they are playing on our minds. Sarko there say he is not responding to Shatta Wale, but then he is. It is just a fact that on your street man who say, okay, this is what I'm doing. It is just a play on our minds, psychologically, or so on. But whatever he's doing, all his antics are clear indications that, okay, it is an indirect response to Shatta Wale. And I'm saying that learn from both artists. No one is fighting. They are not adding any emotions to it, so you don't have to add any emotion to it. And again, thanks to King Sack for making a star out of this beef here and there. You can also become a star of this. Don't become a fool, rather become a star. My name is Sammy Flex. Thanks to Richie Flex, thanks to Digital Rasta Currency, thanks to Hansa Mahmood. They are in Sammy Flex TV way back in Ghana, whilst we run things here in London. Thank you for watching. Share with someone, subscribe, so that all our videos, you get to enjoy them. I'm out of here.